Hi folks, I'm Jeff, and today's grammar topic is little, a little, few, a few, less, fewer, amount, and number. These words, referring to how much and how many, can be very confusing, even for native speakers. In some cases, whether or not you use a can make a big difference. Also, you need to remember that countable nouns are nouns that you can count, such as cars, mushrooms, and movies. And uncountable nouns are nouns that you weigh or measure, such as meat, rice, and coffee. So let's look at some examples. Little versus a little. These are used for uncountable nouns. Number 1, I have little time. And this is often used with very for emphasis, as in I have very little time. This means that I am too busy to do something that I want to do or that someone else wants me to do. Number 2, I have a little time. This means that even though I don't have a lot of time, I have enough time to do something that I am being asked to do or that I want to do. And let's look at a conversation. Jack: Hey Jill, can I ask you a question? Jill: Sure, Jack. She glances at her watch. I have a little time before class starts. What's up? Few versus a few. These are used for countable nouns. Number 3, Shelley has few friends, and this is often used with very for emphasis. Shelley has very few friends. Shelley does not have many friends. She is lonely. 4, Steve has a few friends, and this is often used with quite for emphasis. Steve has quite a few friends. Steve has some friends. He is happy. And let's look at a conversation. Manny: I have very few sick days left this year. I hope I don't catch a cold. Vera: I actually have quite a few sick days left. I should be all set until New Year's. And a sick day is a day that you are allowed to take off from work when you are sick, usually with pay. Less versus fewer. Both of these are used for comparisons. Number 5, Jack has less money than Jill. This is used for uncountable nouns. Less money, less time, less energy, less rice. 6, Jill has fewer books than Jack. This is used for countable nouns. Fewer books, fewer cars, fewer chairs. Amount versus number. Both of these are used for quantity. 7, Matt doesn't know the amount of rice to put in the soup. How much should he put in? This is used for uncountable nouns. How much rice, how much time, how much salt. 8, Maggie doesn't know the number of people coming to the party. How many are there? This is used for countable nouns. How many people, how many chairs, how many knives. And little versus less. Number 9, Amanda has little time for fun. This is a simple statement of fact. No comparison is being made. She has little time, she has little money, she has little patience. And 10, Arthur has less time for fun than Amanda does. Here a comparison is being made. Less time, less money, etc. Alright, now it's time for you to do the exercise, so pause the video and then come back for the answers. Okay, let's see how you did. Roderick and Patty have a new neighbor. He lives right next to Pollyanna. His name is Nate Needles. Now they have quite a few people living in the building. 2 years ago, it was quiet and lonely as there were very few tenants there. The good thing was that there was very little noise, so Roderick and Patty had peace and quiet, and there were fewer problems than there are now. It's inevitable that when the number of people living in the same apartment building goes up, the amount of trouble increases too. Also, there was less trash in the dumpster then. Now it's always full. Roderick tries to have a little patience, but he usually has less of that now than he did before. He and Patty have a few ideas of where they might move to. So how'd you do? Let me know in class. Thanks for watching and have a great day.